Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change font. Alright, so if you want to change the font, font family, then you first of all you need to go fonts.google.com. Then you will see the lot of fonts as like if you want to use this font, then click here. Download font, you can download from here. Also, you can use the Google font or like click, then select font, then you can just click and you can click from here. Then you can just paste here before close the hashtag. Alright. Now you can just add style tag. Then you can add selector like each font. Then font family. You can get from here according to their guideline like this one. Then you can paste. Then save and play. I think you see the font change. If you want to see like plus this font. Now you will see this is the regular font and this is the new font. Alright, that's it. You can do according to my guideline. If you face any problem, you can just comment. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.